Hi everyone. This tutorial is to cover week 5's assignments. So if you want to go to the announcements section of the course and then click on week 5 student link, and it should bring up the information. These are the topics that are going to be covered for week 5. And then these are the essential questions. And there's the objectives. And then here's the information that you'll be most wanting to view is the things that need to be completed or are assigned on Monday. And these are this information. Thursday, we'll go over some PowerPoint slides and do some in-class work. So, and then this is the assessment portion as well. So here I have the Monday online is the print string student work. So all you need to do is go back to Canvas and then go down to Files and then just type in string right here. And then this is the information that you'll need to print off. And that is also listed as an assignment. Type in string student work, and then this is the directions there as well. So that's the first assignment. The second assignment is to read why number sense and then do the responses that it calls for here. And you can find that information in the assignments portion. Just type in why number sense routines. And then it comes up right there. So the first information it says is please check the Files tab in Canvas. So we'll go down here to the Files tab. Type in why. And then this is the information that you'll need to read right there. Is that PDF. Okay. The next assignment is another numbers talks. And that is 1000 minus 674. And there's a video link to it. And then it's asking you to answer these questions. So if we go back and go to the assignment section, type in number talks. And it's right down at the bottom. We just click on that link. And then there's the video link right there. Okay. This is something that I am so impressed about, and I hope that you get quite a bit out of this assignment. This is such an amazing thing to follow on Twitter. So this assignment is, the directions are listed here, and it's also listed in Canvas. So we'll just go ahead and go to Canvas and assignments. And it's becoming, we'll type in, becoming math Twitter chat. So if you just click on this link here, and it'll bring up Twitter, and it'll bring up the hashtag becoming math. So if you just scroll down there, and by the time you look at it, it might be totally different posts than what you're seeing here now. You can see all the various things that is on there. And then, look at, there's the book right there. So it's just a lot of really neat information to find and to reflect on. And this is a hashtag that I would totally recommend that you keep on following as you progress in your teaching career. It's very, very good topic. Okay. Then the next one is building fact fluencies with addition using strategies. So it's in the in-class documents file folder. So you just go in addition facts PDF. So let's go there so you can see how to find that. There's files. Type in addition facts PDF. And then this is the portion that you need to print, which is the one-pager. Okay, so we'll go back to the assignment here. I'll type in building fact fluencies with addition. So this is the Files tab that we looked at. We need to print that. And then what the purpose of this is we're going to take a look and see how addition can assist students in learning these facts. So with the community property, we want to do the +0, +1 or +2, combinations of 10, make 10 doubles, and new doubles. So that's what you need to look at. And then there's an example right here. And with this sample, it gives you some more information right here. So go ahead and take a look at that. And as we scroll down, there's the video, math progression, division this time. So with that, go back to assignments. Oops, I'm scrolled down too far. Go back to assignments. I'll type in division. And that's just want to watch that to be prepared to discuss it in class on Thursday. Oops, I clicked on the wrong document, sorry. Okay, here we go. And then this last one here, the video reflection is my favorite now. So we'll go back to Canvas, assignments, and we'll type in my favorite now. This is a strategy. You would not believe how kids love this strategy. So just go ahead and watch that link and then follow this, this information to reflect on the link. And the last little bit is these chapters, and we're actually a little behind with that. So we're just going to have you look at these discussions. We're going to actually do chapters 5 and 6. So if you go to discussions, this is chapter 5. And this might be confusing to some people because it starts out, we'll be using the book Head Heart Strategy from Beers and Props, Disrupting Thinking. That's actually just kind of citing the resource. So if you want to read chapter 5 of the book. And the book that's a required read for the course is Becoming the Math Teacher You Wish You Had. And then just talk about chapter 5. What is it about? What does the author want me to know? And in my head, what surprised me? What do you think the author already thought I knew? And then continue. I'm not going to read you all the questions. But as if you get into here, it sounds like a lot to read, and it's not as much as you think. There's a lot of visual type of things, and there's a lot of good information. So look at chapter 5. And then also look at chapter 6. And it's the same type of thing, except it's on chapter 6 where it's asking the same questions. So with this, you need to make your initial response and then respond to, if you could respond to 2 peers throughout the week. And what it's just saying, show evidence that you've read the chapters throughout your posts. So your 3 posts is 1, your post, and the other 2 are responding to other students in the class. So that is it. And there's the resources down here like what we've always included. I plan on making another tutorial shortly about the key assignment as well. So can't wait to see you in class on Thursday, and I will be having office hours on Monday.